Hey everyone, Aaron with Kodiak Vans once again. It's like I never go away. We're getting ready to start the floors on 144 in here. So I've got Austin over here grinding down the aluminum floors. We're gonna PL glue this to the bottom of the floor, 16 inches on center, and then we'll work on our foam and our plywood covering as well. So we'll try and get this all wrapped up in one video. Super strong and holding. It takes about 24 to 48 hours to dry. That's why we're doing it on a Friday, so we can get everything down, get it all glued in there, and yeah, go from there. So just a quick note, what we're doing is grinding the tops and bottoms of all of the 1x aluminum, and then we will be grinding the tops of the ridges within the van for the Loctite to adhere to something rough and not smooth paint or not smooth aluminum. That way we'll get a better bond, and we'll also be using that Loctite for the foam in the van as well. So we'll have to lay out our templates and get that all cut for the wood, which will be the last stage of what we're doing. I learned that from George at Humble Road, by the way. Thanks, George. Appreciate the info. Another recommendation from George over at Humble Road is these bad boys. Gonna glue it up. update on the floor. We got the templates in. We've of course labeled them. We're going to save these for future van builds, but they're all in. We're going to tear these out and we'll show you what they look like underneath. A little help here? There you go. Thank you. So we've got the aluminum and all of our flooring. We will fill in all of the cracks with foam. We've got all the key points where the tie downs are. Got them all locked in. There's one down there. They're all throughout the van. But we're going to get these tore out, get the wood cut up, and put them back in, and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, sorry, we were recording and the battery died, so we got new battery in, and we'll let you see us cut the last piece. Here we're going to have some bamboo exposed here, and everything going in the van is all bamboo. We've special ordered that. Man, that stuff is expensive too. So all this will be bamboo that shows, other than the cabinet here that you won't see. It'll stick out about like that. And the cabinet, we'll have a nice little roll-out drawer from underneath the base of the cabinet. Everybody does those fold-down tables. I hate those. I don't like the cables. I don't like any of that crap. So we're going to do basically a drawer, chopping block drawer that just rolls out. It'll be a bamboo, and then that's it. So there's the floors, all finished. Next video we're going to be doing sound deadening, which little we have to add in here. There's not much, and we're going to start on insulation and electrical. Till then, we'll see you later.